Okay, sorry about that, guys. My phone died here. Okay, let's continue our video. And there is some unexplaining noise rattling. I gotta take the shell off this engine. Check this out. Hopefully I'll get it fixed within the next couple days. These two tank cars I got on this train are my two brand new ones. Genesis Athens series. I got them for about $10 a piece, I think. Charles Row also. Today we're only making just a short tank train. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks like we got ourselves a derailment back there. We'll get this train over here. Definitely one thing FRA would not be happy about. And looks like our engine just jumped here. Oh, okay. Another big issue we have with this engine. Air hoses. Always a big concern to a lot of railroaders. If the hoses are too low, they will drag, and you guys just saw there, they will drag and then they'll hitch on a frog. Not what you want to happen. So let's try to do a clean run here. And yeah, here we go. Like I said, there's a rattle or the tracks are dirty, and more likely tracks are dirty on this. Let's try this again. Overview of the yard. Okay, there's clearly an issue. I haven't run train back there for a while. I probably should have done that last night. Yep, as you see, the cars decided just to leave me. Okay, guys, we're not having such a good time here, so I think I'm gonna end the video here, and hopefully that next time I'll actually have a train that will make it around. The first time I actually haven't had that happen to me for a while. Another quick thing is, some people were wondering, what does my setup for my layout look like? Well, here's my main controller here. This is a power pack I got when I got the layout. Standard, go forward, and you got your switches here, direction. Switch, I believe, got put on backwards. Is forward is backwards, backwards is forward. You actually got the dynamic braking. That actually works if you do have dynamic braking engines. Then you got your momentum switch. It actually shows you if it's on or not. Then you got your power button off, on. And then this is my biggest part of my layout, which this is the control panel. All the red switches are for the powered switches, which I only have these two right here. These two. Which goes to right here. Let's see if I can show you guys one. Turn on the power, that would help. Nope, I guess not. Oh, I had the momentum on still. My mistake. And there they go.